Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the interlocking block stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. You will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the slip stitch and the double crochet stitch for this tutorial. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using several different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the interlocking block stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you are starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains, plus 3, which are going to count as 1 double crochet. You're then going to work 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. You're going to chain 2, skip 2 chains, work 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain, chain 2, skip 2, 1 double crochet in the next chain, 1 double crochet in the next chain. You're going to repeat that till the end of your row. I am going to work this row right here to show you how you would continue on. If you are working your next row and you have a block underneath to start out with, you're going to chain 2 to completely skip over that block. And that is what I have done here. I have already made 2 chains, so I'm going to just skip over this block. I'm going to work 1 double crochet over this previous chain that was made into the top of this double crochet right here. So I'm going to work 1 double crochet. I'm going to work a double crochet into the next one. And now I've come to a block on my previous row. I'm going to chain 2 to skip over that block completely. I'm going to work a double crochet to the top of this previous one right here. Double crochet into the top of this previous one. Chain 2, skip over this block completely, work a double crochet into this previous one right here, over these previous chains that were made in my last row, double crochet into the top of this one, chain 2, skip this block completely, work a double crochet into this stitch right here, work a double crochet into this stitch right here, and I've come to a block at the very end. I'm going to chain 2, and then going to slip stitch into this stitch right here, and that is going to complete my row. I am going to make my next row to show you guys how you would continue on, since we did end on an open space. So I'm going to grab that yarn. I'm going to add my new color. I'm going to flip over. All right, we ended on an open space. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to work a double crochet into this one right here, underneath these chains, into this block on the maroon row that I was working. Okay, so you're going to work a double crochet right here. And then you're going to work a double crochet into the next one. This is where it would just continue like we were doing. Chain 2, skip over this previous block, work a double crochet into this stitch right here, over those chains of my last row, double crochet in the next one, chain 2, skip over this block completely, work into these double crochet in the maroon row, work into the top, work 1, then another in that next one, chain 2, skip block, work 1 double crochet into this stitch right here, 1 double crochet into this stitch right here, chain 2, you're going to end by working a double crochet into this stitch right here over those previous chains, and then a double crochet into this last stitch right here. So then you would repeat these 2 rows for however long you want your project to go. Since we did end on a block on this one, you would then chain 2, skip over, and then work into this open space. And then your next row, you would then have an open space at the end, and you would repeat this row that I had just worked. I did want to let you guys know I have seen the interlocking block stitch worked with 3 double crochet or 4 double crochet to make bigger blocks. If you are doing those, I did want to let you guys know that you would just adjust your starting chain. So I did an even number of chains for my 2 for my blocks. But if you were doing say you did 3, you would do in multiples of 3. And then for your your chains to get over these blocks, you would then chain 3. And same for if you were doing 4, you would do multiples of 4 for your starting chain, and then you would chain 4 to get over those 4. I did want to let you guys know that because I have seen those done, but I like doing the 2. I just think I like the way it looks, and it's easy. And that is going to be how to make the interlocking block stitch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos that you would like to see. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.